The 2025 stock market crash is coming. Are you scared? Good. That means there's money to be made. The media is screaming recession, rate hikes, tariffs, like it's the end of the world. It's not. This happens every year. You just don't realize it because you've been trained to panic instead of profit. Here's the truth. The stock market drops 5% 3 times a year, but nobody talks about it. It drops 10% once a year. People always get nervous. It drops 20% every few years. This is where weak investors sell and strong investors get rich. Every single year the market dips, and every single time the same people freak out. They think this time is different. It's not. The S&P 500 has always recovered. Every dip, every crash, every crisis. So here's the real question. Are you the guy who sells in fear or the guy who buys in fear and makes a fortune? Because the people who make money don't wait for permission. They don't need CNBC to tell them it's safe now. They see fear and they pounce. In this video, I'll show you why this fear exists, how investors use it to make millions of dollars, and how you can do the same. And if you don't, well, someone else is going to take your money. Why does everyone think the market will crash? Let me ask you something. Who benefits when you panic? Because every time the media says crash, recession, market meltdown, they're not warning you, they're setting you up. They feed you the fear. You get emotional, you sell low, and guess who's buying? The same billionaires who told you to be scared. This isn't new. In 2008, the media screamed, the system is broken. Meanwhile, Warren Buffett bought Goldman Sachs at a discount and made billions. In 2020, they told you COVID would end the economy, but investors who bought during the crash doubled their money in 2 years. And right now, same script, new excuse, same outcome. Fear makes headlines, headlines make money. The more you panic, the richer the smart investors get. And here's the kicker, fear is always loudest at the best buying opportunities. The S&P 500 has had an average intra-year drop of 14% for nearly 100 years, yet most years end positive. And every bear market in history has eventually hit new highs. So when CNBC tells you this time is different, remember that's what they said every single time before the market recovered. The only difference, whether you bought or got scared. Now, let's talk about who actually profits during downturns and how you can do the same. Look, I don't care how bad the news looks right now. I don't care about the fear. I care about one thing, making money. And historically, the biggest money is made during downturns. Let me show you how this actually plays out. In 2008, the market collapsed. Do you remember banks were failing? Everyone thought the financial system was done. Investors who bought the S&P 500 at the bottom made 400% in the next decade. Warren Buffett, he threw $5 billion into Goldman Sachs when everyone else was selling. That deal alone made him over $3 billion. In 2020, COVID wiped out stocks. The S&P 500 crashed 34% in a month. Everyone panicked. Smart investors, they doubled their money in 2 years. In 2022, inflation fears crushed tech stocks. Investors who bought Nvidia at its low are up 500% today. This is the pattern. The people who buy fear win. The people who wait for safety miss out. And here's what nobody tells you. By the time it feels safe, the market is already up 20 to 30%. The biggest market moves happen before the headlines change. If you wait, you pay more. Period. Now, let's talk about the biggest factor that drives markets, the Fed, and why most investors are getting played like suckers. Let's talk about the dirty secret behind Fed policy and Fed rates. The Federal Reserve is not here to help you. They don't care about your portfolio. They don't care about your mortgage. They don't care if you can afford groceries. They have one job, control fear and greed. Let me break this down. When inflation is high, the Fed raises rates. The market panics, stocks drop, you get scared. When inflation cools, the Fed cuts rates. The market rallies, stocks explode, you feel safe again. Rinse and repeat. This cycle has been happening for 50 plus years. And here's where most people get played. They wait for the Fed to cut rates before buying stocks. But by the time the Fed actually cuts, the market has already exploded 20 to 30%. The biggest moves happen before the Fed acts. Right now, there's $7 trillion in cash sitting on the sidelines. The second the Fed signals a rate cut, that money floods into stocks. Smart investors, they're positioning now. They know the Fed's game. The question is, are you going to play it right or get played? Next up, let's get tactical. Here's the exact plan to profit from this. You have two choices: sit in fear and stay broke, or follow this plan and build wealth. This is exactly how you play this market. Step 1, you DCA or dollar cost average into strength. Stop waiting for the perfect time. It doesn't exist. You don't time the market, you ride the market. Dollar cost average into top stocks. That means buying consistently whether the market is up or down. You think you're smart enough to time the bottom? You're not. Even the best investors fail at it. Step number 2, and this is huge: own winners, dump losers. If you're holding garbage stocks, cut them now. Focus on companies that dominate their industries: Microsoft, Palantir, Nvidia, Google. Stop chasing hype. Buy real businesses. Step number 3 is stay in the game. The market's biggest gains happen on just a handful of days. If you miss just 10 of the best trading days in a decade, your returns get cut in half. Sitting in cash is the biggest mistake you can make. Weak investors try to wait it out. Strong investors execute. Now, if you still think this is risky, let me show you historical proof that buying dips is the only winning strategy. Pullbacks aren't crashes, they're discounts. But every time the market drops, weak investors panic, strong investors buy. And the data proves it. The S&P 500 drops 5% at least 3 times a year. This is normal. 10% corrections once a year, again, normal. 15% drops every 2 to 3 years, and in bear markets, 20% drops every 4 to 6 years. Yet despite all of that, the market always recovers. Always. And here's the part nobody tells you. Since 1928, the average intra-year drop is 14%, but most years still end positive. If you invested in the S&P 500 at literally any point in history and held for 20 years, you never lost money. This is why Warren Buffett says, buy when there's blood in the streets, even if it's your own. Fear makes investors stupid. They sell low and buy high. You don't get rich that way. Now, if you want to see exactly what I'm buying, my real-time trade alerts, and my top plays, join my Patreon, because the next big opportunity, it's already here. You've got 2 options right now. 1, ignore everything I just told you. Keep watching fear-mongering headlines. Keep sitting on the sidelines. Keep making the same mistakes that keep you broke. Or 2, do what smart investors do. Use fear as fuel. Buy when others panic. Build wealth instead of making excuses. Because here's the truth. You don't get rich in bull markets. You get rich in bear markets. Every market dip is a wealth transfer from weak investors to strong investors. The people who sell at the bottom, they hand their money to the people who buy at the bottom. The next 6 to 12 months will decide who wins and who loses. Some people will sit in cash, waiting for the perfect time. Others will buy while everyone else is scared, and they'll make a fortune. Which one are you? If you want to see exactly what I'm buying, my real-time trade alerts, and my daily breakdowns on what's hot in the market, join my Patreon. This is your moment. Don't waste it.